Okay, so this week's tarot card is going to be the Prince of Pentacles. In the tattoo deck, it is represented as actually the Knave of Coins. In the Spirit Song deck, there actually is no knight or equivalent. It could possibly be the knight. Some decks have both. They have a prince and a knight. So this one just has a knight, so we can use this one for this example. So the overall theme for the Prince of Pentacles can also be the page, depending on the deck. This one, we're going with the knight because there is no page or prince, only knights. It kind of depends on your deck. But what this really represents overall is reliability. It also represents the connection to the material world. And this can play a big role in businesses or business adventures. So if it represents you, it could represent that there's an implementation or something going to start anew in regards to business, or somehow in related to gaining wealth or gaining objects in the material world by whatever means that is going to come about. If it's what surrounds you, this could represent the people around you that could be helping you or that are reliable in helping you gain that wealth. It could also represent that you need to be more reliable and that you need to be more disciplined in your business adventure. So if in your job, for example. So if it's something that blocks you, it could be one side or the other. It could be you that is being unreliable or is just following obediently without seeing the big picture, and that's blocking progress. Or it could be the people around you that are doing the same thing that is affecting you. If this is in your foundation, this means that reliability is crucial in your new adventure. So it's something that is going to make or break any kind of new adventure or business related adventure that you're trying to implement. If it's something that's in your past, maybe you weren't the most reliable person in the past and that had consequences. So it could be something that you've already passed or grown from. If it's something that is before you or in the future, it may mean the opportunity that where you need to buckle down and be reliable, be on time, be dependable to actually achieve your goal. The prince is also representative of dependability. So if this is in a reading and it's representing a person, this could be you, somebody you know, a family member, whatever. It could just mean somebody who is dependable. It could be somebody that's coming into your life. It could be something that is going on in your life as well. It could be a positive or a negative. There's also a negative connotation with following someone blindly. So I mean, yes, they are reliable and they're dependable, but to what end? Is it actually causing the benefit that they're hoping to achieve? And we can fall down that trap as well. So that's the end of the Prince of Pentacles, and I'll see you next week.